Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to learn date and time functions. So let's start the video.
Now, let's start the date functions. Okay, so there are many date functions, but we would be studying some important date functions, and for the other ones, you can refer to the SQL documentations available on the internet. Okay, so the first one we would be studying is cur date. So as the name suggests, cur date is actually used to tell the current date, the present date, current date, or you can say present date, or you can say today's date. Okay, let's come on to the next one is current date. This too has the same functions as the previous one. It's just that it is another way of writing. You can either write cur date or you can write current date. Both of them will give you the today's date only. Okay, come over to the next one. Next one is sys date. That is the date of the system. On the system which we are writing the code, or on which we are implementing this SQL query, it will give you that system's date. So that would be system's date. Next one would be now. So now will actually give you the present date and present time. Now let's suppose if today is 12th February, it will give 12th February with time. Okay. Coming on to the next one, last day. So last day will give you the last day of the current month. Okay, so because this month is February, the last day would be 28th. So it will give that only. Coming on to the next one, day. It will give you the day. That is, if it is 12th February, it will give you 12. Okay. Coming on to the next one would be day name. So it will give you the name of today's day. Name of today's day. Coming on to the next one, day of month. It will give you what is the day of this month. Day of current month. On to the next one. The next one is day of week. It will give you the day of current week. Okay. Now next one is day of year. Again, it will give you the current day of year. Next one is week. It will tell you about the week. Next one is weekday. It will tell you about the day number. Like let's suppose if today is Monday, then it will tell you the number of Monday in the range of 1 to 7. Okay. Week of year. It will give you which week is going on out of the 52 weeks in the year, which week is going on. On to the next one. Next one is year. So year, obviously it will give you the year, that what is the year. And year week, it will give you year and week both. It will give you year plus week. So these are some important ones. Let's come over to the demo part. Open the workbench. Okay. Now let's open the next one. Come on. Okay, now let's start with the current date. Let's zoom it a bit. Select current date as date. Okay, now execute this thing. See, as I told you, it's 12th February. So it is displaying that only. We can write it as current date also. Current underscore date. It will also give you the same thing. Let's come over to the sys date. See, it is giving you the current time and the date of this system on which I am writing this query. Now let's write now query. See, it is also giving you the present time, that is what is the current date and what is the current time on which I wrote this query. Now let's come over to last day function. So that is last underscore day. So this would be it. Now we need to enter some date. Okay, we'll write say for 1st of January only. 1st of January. I'll zoom it out a bit and let the time be 0900 and 00. So this means that 9 a.m. on 1st of January. Now let's execute the last day query. See, the last day of January, as we know that it is 31st of January. We can try this for February also. See, it is 28th February. Now, if you talk about the leap year thing, let's try it out for that. See, in 2024, it is a leap year, so it will give that the last day of February is 29th. Okay. Okay, now let's consider the day one. See, the day is one only, 1st February. If we want the name, we can just write day name. Day name. Okay, so 1st February is Wednesday. Okay, let's come over to the next one. That is day of month. Day of month. See, what is the day of month? It is the first day of month only. See, if we write it to be 21st February, day of month is also 21st. Now, what about day of week? Day of week is 3. Okay, you might be wondering what is this day? So, no issues. We'll first of all get the day name. Day name is Tuesday and day of week is 3. You might be wondering why it is 3. Shouldn't it be 2? No, it would be 3 only because the counting goes from Sunday. Sunday becomes the number 1. We can check it also. If we go back 2 days, because 21st was Tuesday, so 19th would be Sunday. Check it. Okay. So if we go back one more day, it would be Saturday. See, Saturday is 7. So Sunday is 1, Monday is 2, Tuesday is 3, and so on. Saturday is 7. Okay. Now we'll come to day of year. Day of year, it is the 49th day of year. We know that because there are 31 days in January and 18 days more. So 31 plus 18 is 49. Now let's come on to the next one. The next one is week. Week. So the week number is 7. We can check it also. Let's come on to some different month. June. See, 18th of June will lie in week number 25. Okay, let's come on to the next one, weekday. Okay, so the weekday is number 6. Next one is week of year. So the week of year is 24th week. Okay, now let's come on to year. So year is 2023, as we know. If we change it to 2012, then it will give 2012. If we want, the next thing was year week, then it will give us year week.
Hope you liked the video. If you liked it, please do share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.